How do you deal with standby trainers putting me off doing some exercises? 20 male, been going to my university gym for 1 month now, but that was with no plan. Kind of just feeling my time there, moving some free weights, becoming more knowledgeable about my body and studying basic fitness and technique. I like this. This is how everyone should start fitness. Just go in, do some self-studying on yourself. Don't really think about it. Just do whatever feels natural. This is perfect. Not fit, but I'm definitely out of shape. All right. Do some trekking. Can do 15 push-ups consecutively. That's fairly in shape. Not a lot of people can even do one push-up. Sit-ups, etc. Winter break. Signed up to a local gym. A lot of new equipment wasn't previously available that I want to understand. Some trainers, not personal/paid for, on standby were there who saw my poor form for exercises and helped me out. I was grateful for the advice and still am, but repeatedly over the last few days, they keep interrupting my sessions to keep giving me advice and it breaks off. Okay, but I see where this is going. So they gave you a little bit of good advice and you're grateful, they showed you the ropes, but now they're almost looking at you as a little sheep, a little pawn that can't make your own way. So they gave you some good advice, but they're still holding your hand. They're still giving you the training wheels. And I'm guessing it probably feels a little demeaning to you. Demeaning, absolutely. And this is something that, in all honesty, if you're not comfortable with talking to the personal trainers and just saying to them, hey, I got this, I appreciate it. If I need some more assistance, I will come to you. I will absolutely come to you and ask for more help. That would be the easiest route in this, but I know that's kind of awkward. So what I would do is potentially talk to management, talk to the CEO, talk to the boss of whatever the gym is, and perhaps give them basically some knowledge that says, hey, I didn't know how to use these things. They helped, but they're kind of being a little overbearing now. I'd appreciate it if you could maybe just remind them generally. You don't have to say it's me asking this, but remind them generally that it's good to give some advice, but at some point, the people who are there to work out are there to work out, and if they're not paying for sessions, we're not supposed to work out with them and intervene unless they are doing something that was dangerous, which is exactly what was happening. You were doing something potentially unsafe, they stepped in, great. They're kind of just overstepping their boundaries. So those are the two options I would go, but then also keep in mind, the more you go and the more you show up, you're still new to this gym, and if they see you doing the exercises properly, and especially if they see you doing a wide variety of exercises properly, that's going to say to them that, hey, this person probably doesn't need any help anymore. So the more studying and the more just work you can do there, it's going to help you. Remember, you just started working out too. So when you go back to your university gym, start working out again, you're going to build more confidence, get some more knowledge. And then when you come back, was this at the hometown? Winter break, yeah. So they'll come back home after their, it would be summer break at that point. And then they're probably going to be shocked. You're probably going to know more than them because in all reality, a lot of the personal trainers at the gym, I've seen them. It is dicey, some of the stuff they have their people doing. And yeah, it just goes to show you that, not all personal trainers are created the same. But it is what it is. You do what you can.